Hi, I'm Sarah Drinkwater with Piatt, Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to 309 Pink House Road in Swickley Heights, Pennsylvania. Come join me for a tour. This kitchen is truly gourmet. We have Wolf appliances, both the stove top and the wall ovens, as well as sub-zero refrigerators. Not to mention these beautiful quartz countertops. This kitchen is made for magical memories that'll last a lifetime. This home features 5 bedrooms, 4 of which are en suite. Here in the primary bedroom, the light steals the show. It fills the room from dawn until dusk. This home lives up to the reputation of Swickley Heights. It's grand, it's luxurious, it's also really comfortable. Located on 9 private acres, it's also very convenient. 20 minutes to the airport, 20 minutes to downtown, and 5 minutes to Swickley Village. Come home to 309 Pink House Road. It's the perfect home for you.